Trump's team, now threatening Supreme Court justices. Every American should be sitting down and paying very close attention to this story, because it affects literally every single person in the United States. If you care even slightly about democracy, the Constitution, or not living under the rule of an orange dictator, buckle up. This is not a drill. During a Monday morning appearance, Trump White House Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt casually suggested that yes, the administration is absolutely open to arresting Supreme Court justices. You heard that right. Arresting. The people at the very top of the American judicial system? The ones whose job is to check the power of the presidency. Totally normal behavior from a guy who spent 4 years throwing tantrums on Twitter because judges kept telling him no. Leavitt's comment came after Fox News' Peter Doocy asked if the administration would extend its bizarre crackdown on judges to federal or Supreme Court judges. Instead of saying something reassuring like, "Of course not, we respect co-equal branches of government," Leavitt basically shrugged and said, "Well, if they obstruct federal law enforcement, they're fair game. So if a justice doesn't rubber stamp Trump's whims, they could suddenly find themselves handcuffed next to the guy who tried to sell fake COVID cures at the flea market." This terrifying answer wasn't hypothetical. Just days ago, the Department of Justice arrested Milwaukee County Circuit Judge Hannah Dugan, accusing her of obstruction for allegedly helping an undocumented immigrant avoid ICE agents at her courthouse. Because obviously protecting human rights and preventing ICE from dragging people away like stormtroopers is now a federal offense under Trump too. In case you were wondering, yes, this is full-blown authoritarianism. Trump is making it crystal clear that any judge who dares to think independently will be treated like a criminal. He has already fired or suspended 8 immigration judges, ignored multiple court orders, and now is openly dangling the idea of arresting Supreme Court justices like they are contestants on some sick reality show. Next up, Trump proposes a new Supreme Court decision be decided by rock, paper, scissors in the Mar-a-Lago parking lot. If Americans do not take this threat seriously, they might wake up to find out that checks and balances now just means Trump checking your loyalty and balancing prison sentences against how much you annoy him. It's time to stand up and fight back. Let your voice be heard. Tell you want a town hall. Tell them you will vote, then out of office. Call the Capitol switchboard. Speak to your senators or congressmen 202-224-3121. Please like and subscribe and share this with a friend. Why not leave me a comment? Trump